Paano po ba nabuo ang Lady Design Studios?
It's a good question actually. We from Lay Design Studios started working here in the Philippines and went Dubai, UAE for 15 years. So personally, I work in a developer company for almost 10 years and ended up in the last few years of my time in the UAE for an oil and gas company. What about you, architect?
Well, actually, for me, I have a diversified experience abroad. I started working as an interior designer, graphic designer, until I became an architect with the in a consultancy firm. Then later on, in my last 4 to 5 years, I work in a developer company.
Okay, after that po, so nung bumalik po ba kayo ng Pilipinas, dun po ba nabuo ang Lady Design Studios? After niyo po sa mga previous company niyo before sa Dubai?
Well, in Dubai, we have two projects. So, physically done here in the Philippines. One is in Pangasinan project and one is in Cebu. Pero yung design, coordinations with the client started in Dubai. Tama ba, architect?
Yes, we didn't thought of having a company here in the Philippines because we thought okay na yun nandun kami sa abroad nung nagkakanta kami ng business. But later on, we found out that mas better talaga kung hands-on ka sa business. That's why we decided to come over here in the Philippines and settle down and establish our own design practice.
Okay, thank you po. And tanong ko po ulit, ano po yung unang-unang projects niyo nung nandito na kayo sa Pilipinas?
Well, I'm very, very thankful to my old classmate, Wally. Magandang hapon sa'yo. So, without you, I think we have never started the whole journey of us na darating kami sa ganitong stage. Wally was my good friend in high school, since elementary and high school, and he is in a real estate business. So, he gave us the opportunity. And then from then on, hanggang ngayon, architect, ilan na yung projects natin?
Actually, we have a total of 50 projects na nagawa namin. It's a combination of residential, commercial, interior design, condominium fit out, and even renovation projects.
Minor and renovations.
And aside from Wally as your classmate, so nag-joint venture kayo, sino pa yung mga clients niyo na naging client niyo before?
Yeah, one of our biggest client is si Congresswoman ng Sambales.
Wow,
And
congrats po.
thank you for
Trusting
trusting us.
for several of your personal projects. And from others, then katulad namin, ng mga ex-abroad, like recently we have Mr. Dennis, together with his wife, Ma'am Rosana, and others are from
Other are
abroad
just a
eh.
friend of a friend, referral from a
Yes.
friend of a friend, and previous clients.
Actually, it's good thing nga that ang advertising namin is from word of mouth. Yung client namin, i-refer kami sa panibagong client because of the satisfactions they get from us.
And that's why it's very important not to burn bridges with the clients.
Yes.
And maintain a good working relationship kahit matapos na po ang project.
Okay, thank you, engineer and architect sa napaka-magandang story po ng Lady Design Studios. Guys, if you need design or build, just contact RT and engineer. So, engineer, saan namin kayo pwede kontakin?
So, Lay Design Studios, you can find us in all social media platform. And then you can locate our office at 13MH Del Pilar Street, Gitang Bayan 1, San Mateo, Rizal. It's very near to Municipio.
Yes, you can also check us out in our website at ladesignstudios.online, Aleto Builders, aleto.ladesignstudios.online, and you can also email us at ladesignstudios@gmail.com.
Okay, thank you very much, engineer and architect. May God bless you and more sales or more projects to come.
Thank
Okay,
you.
goodbye guys. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.